Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So make sure you do not forget to subscribe to Technical Advisor YouTube channel, and plus like if you like the video, and because I'm sure you like it, I'm telling in the starting. So let's get started. Today's topic is how you can make a YouTube channel on mobile. So first you have to go to the YouTube app, then you have to click on this uh, this part over here. Then if you have a Gmail ID, I'm sure everyone has a Gmail ID, but mostly if you do not have, I will show you how to also create one. So you have to click on plus, then create account for myself. You have to remember, until and unless you have a business of your own or a company of your own, you should always select for myself whenever you create anything, or you should select individual account. So then first name, last name, it will ask all your personal details, then day, month, and you should also enter your birth year. And make sure you should all it's for India. I'm talking about India right now. You're supposed to be at least above 13 years of age to to be eligible for making a Gmail. So then click on next, click on create your own Gmail address. In this, type your Gmail. Let's check if it's available. Oh wait, we don't have to enter gmail.com. Next. Yep, now we have to create a password. Wait, let me just pause the part and enter the password. Okay, so now I have entered the password. I have to enter the same password which I have entered in the password section below to confirm. Then click on next. Skip. Next. I agree. So once you click on this, it'll take a little bit of loading time, and once it's done, your Gmail account will be created. And with your Gmail account, I'm going to show you what to do. Wait. In this, you have to go, click on no thanks. In this, click on your channel. Use as whichever YouTube channel you want to use in your phone. So I'm continuing as Technical Advisor. So our channel is created. Now you wanna be knowing how you can change the logo. So in the description I will give a link which will land you to this following page. Now so that you are redirected to this place, when you click the URL, click on this profile picture, then click on add profile picture. Then you can just upload any photos which is there in your computer or whatever. Currently I'm just putting this. So once this image is uploaded, you can crop it however you want. Then click on set as profile photo. So now you will see that this is your profile photo. Wait, let me show you. So this, you can see here, this is the profile photo. Now this is all the information. Now it will take some time for it to appear everywhere, So for creating content, this is all. Now when you create content and you get you need to get 4,000, like a whole 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers for you to start earning money. So maybe next or some other day I will make a video on also how to earn money and grow. You can check my other YouTube videos like how to grow YouTube channel fast, how to get 1k subscribers fast and all. So this is the way you can create a YouTube channel in mobile. It doesn't matter which device you have. So I will also make a video on how you can edit, make videos, and like do everything only using mobile and nothing else. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.